Today we are going to celebrate International Day of Education. We're going to ask some of our students how important education is for them.
Learning helps me reach my dreams because it gives me an education that helps me with loads of various opportunities and chances to help me reach my goals.
School is important because when you grow up, it would help you a lot. Like when you have to sign documents or like you have to sign your case for school.
I love learning because for making animals.
I really like playing with my friends.
I really like to learn science because I really like the experiments.
I love learning math, sports, art. My teachers help me with my math. If I'm stuck, they're always there to help me. I have lots of favorite subjects. I like art, I like science, I like math.
The teachers help me in every aspect of my life and they encourage me toward reaching my goals.
School also provides to us a very practical way of interiorizing all this information, which is very important to know what you're doing actually and know where this is taking you and why is it important to us.
They teach me how to do things better and how to learn, how to multiply, divide and write stories.
A good teacher, like the ones that we have here, is really good for a student's life as they are able to push you to be better and they help you to improve every day.
Some children face in getting an education is when they have underdeveloped countries, and sometimes they might have wars, which doesn't help them get as much education as they need. If I was a teacher for the day, I would probably teach students how to be creative with their minds so that they can express themselves freely and show their inner smartness.